The Millionaire Brain Programming. Morning Routine. Namaste. Welcome to the morning routine of the Millionaire Brain Programming. What were your thoughts as you woke up in the morning today? What was your conversation with yourself as you got out of bed? Were you thinking of the day ahead? Did it make you feel excited, or were you feeling anxious? Were you physically rejuvenated after a night's sleep? Or did you feel tired still? Take a few moments to sit down calmly and comfortably and to work through the clutter that is preventing you from taking the day head on with clarity and enthusiasm. Breathe deep and exhale through your mouth. Purse your mouth like you are holding a straw between your lips, like you do when you're drinking some liquid through a straw. Purse your lips with the mouth closed and breathe in. Exhale. Breathe in again with the lips pursed as if holding a straw between your lips. And exhale. Do you feel a small muscle at the back of the throat opening up as you breathe in with your lips pursed? Breathe in again with the lips pursed. Feel that tiny muscle moving and opening up the throat for the breath to go rushing in deep into your lungs. You can feel your abdomen coming out as the breath rushes in. Keep the lips pursed through this whole session. Breathe in again. Feel the throat muscle moving, the air going deep into your lungs. Exhale fully. Breathe in deep. Breathe out fully. Continue with this abdominal breath till you feel calm, relaxed, and rejuvenated all through the body, mind and spirit. Just breathe. Before you end the morning routine, write down 5 things that made you grateful today. Afternoon routine. Namaste. Welcome to the afternoon routine of the Millionaire Brain Programming. How has your day been so far? How has the mind and body reacted or responded through the day? Are you feeling slightly lethargic after your midday meal? Sit down comfortably and allow yourself a few minutes to get your mind and body back on track. Go through the events of the day since the morning. Observe how your mind and body have coped with, interacted with, and felt through these events. Thank yourself for the things that you dealt with well. Take a stock of where you judge yourself as not being up to the mark. Keep this list in your mind for now. Breathe through your nose with your mouth pursed like you did in the morning. Center yourself with this abdominal breath. Breathe deep and feel yourself aligning with your core, with the very breath that you take. Feel the mind and body relaxing fully in the moment. Now take a look at the list that you had set aside a few moments back. Look at the events that you had judged yourself for. Look at the events again, now from this aligned space. The ideas and thoughts, the new approaches that you might try out with such events and experiences that will come up again in the future. You must be getting new insights about yourself and the events now from this aligned space. Open your eyes and write down the new ideas, the observations, the new realization that you have gotten from this exercise. Write down 5 things that made you grateful at this stage. And always remember, breathe deep and full, deep down into your lungs. Night routine. Namaste. Welcome to the night routine of the Millionaire Brain Programming. Lie down comfortably and let your mind run through the events of the day. What do you feel at the end of this day? Was it a good day or not so good? Let the thoughts run through your mind. What has stayed with you till the end of the day? What are you thinking of right now? What you're feeling right now? Put all these in a basket beside you. Take out each thought, each emotion related to it, and put them into the basket that you have placed beside you. When the mind space is clearer, breathe deep through your open throat. Let the mind, body, and spirit get aligned again. Let yourself get to the equilibrium state, to the state of equanimity. Then view the basket beside you, the contents of it. Let the content come out of the basket and be out there in front of your eyes as if on a screen. View each aspect of the events with the equanimity from the aligned space. Objectively, let the mind go across the experience and leave out questions to be processed through the night as you sleep. For the unconscious mind to process as you sleep and rejuvenate. Leave out the question, the queries if there are any, with an instruction to the mind to work out the answers as you sleep. Sleep deep and heavy, refreshing sleep. Let this aligned state bring you to your answers as you sleep and breathe. Breathe deep and full. Keep breathing. Let your mind bring up 5 things that you are grateful for at this time.